Okay. Long time no see. First of all, it's too late uploading another video. So deepest apologies and sorry for that. But today I will make the wait worth cause I have some super useful Android tricks and tips which will definitely ease up your Android usage experience. And after watching this video, you will say that yes, this was
One word, best, B-E-S-T, best.
and I am desperate to have your feedbacks down in the comment section. So drop a like and smash the red subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get rolling.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So, first things first. Now tell me which tool you use the most in your smartphone. And yes, that's the keyboard. From taking the phone in your hand in morning right away till shutting your eyes off to sleep, you use the keyboard for chatting, searching and whatnot. And today's first trick comprises the same. Many times we type a whole big message and copy it in the clipboard to paste it on the right place and right time. But in the meantime, you happen to copy another thing and the initial ones get overwritten. So these features come straight away from Google. आपको पहले अपने कीबोर्ड पे जाना है and then tap on the three dots, enable the clipboard settings, and from now whatever you type and cut or copy, no matter how many times you do that, will be saved in this section. You just have to open the clipboard menu and tap on the saved text to get automatically pasted. Many of us download unsafe third-party apps to run YouTube in background for listening to songs and other stuffs. But uninstall them right now cause I have found a crazy alternative to it. This one was a total accidental discovery. Sometimes I closed down YouTube but still the audio went on running in the background. Very strange, right? I thought it to be an audio leakage glitch of Realme unless I found that it's a YouTube bug. But this bug will be damn useful for us. Open YouTube, search Oegiki and play any video of your choice. Drag the slider till the very end. Minimize it. Go to the shorts section and watch a video for 2 to 3 seconds. Return back to the video. Play it from any desired point. Minimize your YouTube. Lock your phone. Don't believe it? Try it right now and let me know in the comment section you liked it or not. Also, ये trick मैंने iOS पे try नहीं किया है. So iPhone users, do let me know if it worked for you as well. Moving on to the third, you might be knowing that 10% of the entire population in the world are left-handed. We may not think about their problems, but yes, Android does. Wanna see how? Go to settings, about phone, build number, tap on it thrice. Now you will become a developer. Go to the developer settings. Enable force RTL direction. And there you go. पूरा का पूरा layout left से right की तरफ shift हो जाएगा, which will be very useful for lefties. Fourth point पे बढ़ने से पहले, let's have a look on these stats.
यार भाई दिल से बुरा लगा यार, एकदम भाई मैं बता रहा हूँ।
ये 76% जनता से मेरा विनम्र अनुरोध है कि वे कृपया करके नीचे दिए गए लाल बटन पे अपना प्यार बरसा दे एंड नोटिफिकेशन आइकन बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर दे ताकि वीडियो जब भी आए तो उन तक नोटिफिकेशन पहुंच जाए. Now the fourth one. This is again a very useful tip. We all know how much a browser is important to us, and 9 out of 10 of us use Chrome as their primary browser, and you won't believe the amount of storage it is capturing unnecessarily. Open Chrome, go to settings, scroll down to site settings, and then data stored or storage, whatever it's showing on in your device. Look at the bulky storage it is consuming. Just before shooting this video, I cleared a total of 1.3 GB from here. Basically, it is the cache memory which ensures the snappy experience next time you visit any site, clearing which will negligibly affect the website opening time. But yes, it will largely save your phone's memory. ये बहुत important है. I would highly recommend wiping it off once a fortnight. The fifth one is also related to YouTube. Let's assume you share your friend a video and you want him to watch it from a particular timestamp. How would you do that? जैसे ये एक podcast है on cryptocurrency and I want my friend to share this part only which talks about crypto mining. So it's quite simple. Copy the link, paste it, put a question mark and add a timestamp in this format. The M stands for minute and the S stands for second. Note that if there is no minute, like you are wanting to share the video of 30th second of the whole video, make sure to give a 0M, like 0 minute. Don't forget that part or else it won't work. Okay, and then you can send it to your friend. And now when your friend taps on the link, the video would start playing from the exact timestamp you have mentioned. So that was all for today, and if you liked the video at any point, hit that like button and please subscribe to this channel. I promise that the upcoming content won't disappoint you. Thank you.